It's great that we can turn all the lights on, but we can actually play with each light individually, which is a nice thing to be able to do. So I'm going to start right out by creating another function. So I might write a function, for example, I might want to just be able to control the lights, and I might set it to be the right headlight. Lights right head. Nah, that's what I've called it. So I'm not happy with that name, but I can't think of another one right now. So I'm going with blue, and I'm basically setting the same function in here with a few differences. Let's just make those differences happen. Go down here, indent, and Control V, making sure that the indentations are all correct. It's not going to be all lights value here. It's going to be headlight IGHT underscore right. And that's the headlight right value there. And this one here, this value is here, this section here is not right. It's just, I wish it was like this for everyone, but it's not. Green and blue. So the reason why it's a loop in the other ones is because you've got to do it for like 10 different lights that you're turning on. So basically, we're setting the LED brightness values for everything to be red, green, and blue. So if I go down here now and I go lights, so I don't even remember, it's a bad name. Lights, right, head, okay, and this time I'm going to pass in a 0, 255, and now I'm going to go time dot sleep and do that for another 1 second. So I've got that happening there. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to run this, and my lights are now turning off. They're going red, they're going green, and the right hand headlight, the little arrow at the front there, has gone blue. So we can see that we can turn our light right head on and off. Now, what are all the other code values? Well, I had to go into some code and take a screenshot. In fact, it's a photo I've taken on my camera. So I will show that to you now. And hopefully I've remembered to put that in. If not, you'll hear me clapping, which is bad. So basically, I need to remember to put that in there. But those are the different codes you can turn on and off. You can turn lots of different lights on and off. The back ones, the front ones, the side ones. In fact, there's 2 for each side. The way I've got my, my top set up, the indicator lights aren't very useful, but all the others are quite good.